Amathimba abhekelele izinhlekelele ayisishiyagalombili avela emazweni ahlukahlukene akuleli ukuzobonisana ngeindlela zokubambisana uma kunezinhlekelele kanye nezinye izimo eziphuthumayo.
We are not a earthquake prone area. We are mostly disrupted by the flooding, serious floodings. Now this exercise it includes the earthquake and even the serious flooding.
Inhlangano yezizwe i-United Nations ithi lolu hlelo lulekelela amazwe ukuba athuthukise izinhlelo zokubhekana nezinhlekelele. Elakuleli lifundiswa kabanzi ngokubhekana nezimo zezinhlekelele.
We work a lot with partners globally to be prepared to strengthen readiness of countries, but also of regions. And today we are supporting the government of South Africa in an international earthquake response exercise, which we annually hold in the different regions. You have in South Africa, user SA has gone through what we call an International Search and Rescue Advisory Group external classification, which is a peer review. It's a review that's undertaken by other international teams to ensure that that team meets the standards that are provided by the International Search and Rescue Advisory Group guidelines.
Amazwe amaningi eAfrika abhekana nezimvula ezinamandla nezikhukhula kepha asadinga uxhasomali kanye namathimba aqeqeshiwe ukuze abhekane nalezi zimo.
A whole lot of countries in the sub-Saharan Africa that are affected regularly by cyclones and floods do not have that capacity. So there are three things that are important. Firstly is the training. For you to be able to carry out search and rescue in a way that you are safe as a rescuer and you put the community at safety, you need training. So the second is equipment. As you see here, there's a lot of equipment, specialized equipment that teams need. And then the third thing is experience or expertise. There's no point to train and you're not deploying. So regularly you have to deploy. And that's why exercises like the one we are having now become helpful to put all this knowledge that people have in practice.
Lolu hlelo luzophothula ngoLwesihlanu.